Hey everybody, welcome back to Toyota Veasley. The weekend is here, all right, and behind me I have the brand new TRD Pro Tundra in the new color called Wave Maker, okay? As everyone knows, the TRD Pro gets a special color every year, and this is our 2026 color. Beautiful Wave Maker, has a little bit of teal, a little bit of blue, a little bit of green. It's a lot, okay? But as you know, with the TRD Pro colors, you know, they age very, very well. So some of the colors that I'm like, there's no way that color is going to do well, have done fantastic. And I truly think this is one that you have to see to get a true appreciation of how awesome this color really is, okay? It's definitely a head turner, and that's what a TRD Pro is supposed to be, all right? So let's show you the inside J. Of course, you know the outside ruggedness of the TRD Pro, the Fox Tune suspension, which makes it an off-road beast, but inside is beautiful as well, okay? So of course you have a little different icon there with the Heritage Toyota, big screen. You have some of the TRD badging. It is truly a special vehicle. Now this is an amazing car, and you've seen the other one before. Jay, what I'm going to show you next is the 1794 in Mudbath. So come over here. So one thing we did with the 1794, we wanted it to look more like a TRD Pro. Let me show you how. And I love showing off these two really unique colors, Mudbath and Wave Maker, because it truly shows what Toyota can do with their colors. Now, this is a Norris built, okay? It's a 1794. Usually you see all the luxury with that, but we have made it more rugged with the TRD Pro grille and the light bar there, okay? You also have the TRD wheels with the off-road tires. I like the 35s. I think it makes it stand out great. But where does the 1794 differ from the TRD Pro? Is this beautiful saddle tan interior. Everything about the 1794 just screams Texas. It just screams, I'm on a ranch. It has the 1794 edition badging, which kind of is a tribute to Texas, where Toyota makes the Tundras and Sequoias. So guys, tell me which one you like better. Show me down in the comments. Is Wave Maker one of the best TRD Pro colors that Toyota's had, or not so much? Let us know in the comments. See you guys soon.